Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in a trade updated. First, open and fund your account, then set a clear investment goal and risk tolerance. Learn account types and choose the one that fits taxes and access needs. Familiarize yourself with platform navigation, research tools, and commission details. Start small, use limit orders, and diversify across stocks, ETF, and bonds to manage risk while learning the market. Develop a clear plan before placing your first trade to reduce emotional decisions and costly mistakes. Use trade screeners and analyst reports to vet companies and ETFs against your criteria. Establish entry and exit rules, position sizing limits, and stop-loss levels to protect capital. Practice with a virtual account if available, and document trades to learn from outcomes, improving strategy gradually as you gain confidence and experience. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make lunches easy and mess-free while you monitor your portfolio, and they're great for busy investors who need simple meals between trades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Knowing order types and fees prevents surprises and helps execute trades precisely. Use limit orders to avoid slippage, market orders for speed, and stop orders for downside protection. Review trading costs for equities, options, and margin to keep expenses low and improve net returns. Track holding periods to optimize taxes, and consult a tax pro for complex situations. Small cost savings compound over time and support long-term growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.